So, all right, and now we're back with the second game.
Hi.
And so, Silver Sluggers won the first game. They win this game. They're going to the championship.
Hi.
Chubby Monkeys win this. We're going to game 3.
Hi.
Our umpires, Elgin.
What's up? Hi.
Mason's a player.
Hi.
Isaac, another umpire.
Boy inside, he's just a little boy.
And then me.
Hi.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Hey, come here.
Hi. I'm high. Wait, can you hold this? Can I get away?
Drunk guys. What are you gonna do?
You hold my.
Mason, I'm putting it right here. Yeah. And now the home team, the Silver Sluggers, as the 1 seed. The away team, Isaac going to be the number one batter. Mason going to be the starter. And let's play ball. And that ball. No, that was low. He's going to second. He's going to third. And he's safe. 2 triples in 2 games.
Let's go.
No, that was low. It was low. And now Reed up to bat. And that ball's popped up. And oh, he dropped it. He is safe at first on the air. 1-0. And that's a ground ball. Gets him out. And that's a double play. 1-0. Chubby Monkeys. Sack fly for Reed. Sack fly for Reed turns into a double play on the next play. 1-0. Mason up to bat now. Strike 1. Finn playing right field. Reed playing left field. Ball 1. 1-1 count now. Where'd that go? No, I could see it, just I didn't know where it was. Ball outside. 2-1. Ball high. 3-1 count. Strike 2. Full count. Ball high. Walked him. Looking for a double play now off Truman. The pitch and a ground ball. And he's safe. Everybody's safe. No, mistake by Finn. Mistake by Finn. Needs to calm himself down. Now Mason back up to bat. First and second. No outs. Ball 1. Behind him.
Find some ball. Here, Isaac, give him a ball. You have the good balls.
Didn't you say that in the first game?
Seems like we've already discussed this, Truman.
Ball.
I thought that hit for a second.
It didn't.
Isaac, you already talked to the bro. It ain't a new day.
Ball.
2-0.
2-0. I'm 5'8".
Yep.
See, look at me. Look how tall this is. Look at this.
No, you think
Look how tall I am. To the ground.
like that?
That's not very tall.
What? From right here to here. Ball 4. All right, now I'm short. Now I'm tall. Yeah, I am. Look at me. I'm taller than Truman.
Stop beating the matrix.
Can you turn the thermostat on?
I'll turn on the AC for you. Strike 1. Foul tip into the zone. 0-1. No outs. Bases loaded. 1-0. Bottom of the first. Ball 1. 1-1 count. It's getting hot in here, so hot, so take off all your clothes. Getting so high. Shiratu! Yeah, I don't care if you take off your shirt. Just we have sunscreen out here if you want it too. Ball 2. 2-2.
It probably is.
Strike 3! 1 out. And gets another out here.
87 degrees, it feels like 99.
Actually,
It feels like 99. That's crazy.
only.
No, it doesn't feel hotter.
It feels like 90. It was like 108.
No, yeah, it got to like 112. It felt like 112 at one point.
And that's a grand slam for Mason Copeland. 4-1, Silver Sluggers.
Let's go! Come on! Go! Come on! We need to cut in a second. Hey, he gets no pitch that thing, right? Because it was an error.
Yeah.
No, it was a hit. There was a Isaac let off with the triple.
Oh yeah, he did.
So I'm gonna come in.
And that's a pop up and foul ball.
Speed warning. You want a speed warning?
No.
Hey, we got a ball.
Hey, I want to challenge that speed warning.
No.
Yes.
Come on, hurry up! You're right too.
Here we go. Here, I just want this ball. This is the best ball. What's the count? That's only 3.
Ball.
Speed. That's speed warning.
Is that a speed warning?
That's a speed warning. That's a speed warning. I think that is. Come on, that's a speed
Elgin think it is. Yeah, speed warning.
Yep. 1 and 2.
Blood. 1-2. Strike 3. Got him looking. 4-1, Silver Sluggers.
If he intentionally walks, is he allowed? It's a nice pitch.
Yeah, that counts as an at bat.
Remember, just intentionally walks.
Hey, we want intentional. Who's up?
I don't even care.
Isaac's up.
We got an intentional walk.
And now Mason can pitch because Truman just pitched an at bat.
Hey, Reed, I was long at that.
Really long, about 20 pitches at least. And Reed up to bat.
I love.
Cheer! Don't swing at balls.
That was nasty.
Ball. 1-1. Brr, skibbity, dop, 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 yes, yes. Skibbity, dop, dop, dee, dee. Strike 2. Swings at the low slider. I got this one. Brr, skibbity, dop. Ball, high. 2-2 count. It was like right here. 2-2. No, he didn't. 3-2. Full count. Strike 3. 1 out. You can.
What? Ben, do you want to hit?
Nah, you can hit.
All right, and we're going to have a pinch hit for Finn. Isaac pinch hitting for Finn. Intentional walk, and then intentional walk again. Strike 1.
This ends up to having stroke.
Oh! Not gone. Low. And Reed is running home. And he saved a triple. 3 triples in 2 games. And now it's 2-4. Silver Slugger still up. 2-4. Home run ties it. From now Isaac Hackstrom's actually up.
What the Sigma? I haven't even known.
1. No, it's 2-4. It was 1-4. Scored that run. Yeah, intentional walk scored. And the ground ball! And that's the game! The Silver Sluggers are advancing to the World Series!
Yo, it's the jersey. I'm telling you, it's the jersey.
All right, guys. Disappointing loss. You had a good season. How does it feel?
I'm sad.
Great.
All right.
I'm sad.
Thank you.
All right, I gotta go. All right, Isaac. You guys had a good season. How do you feel?
I feel like that was a home run.
Good game.
It went over the tree.
Great job.
Yeah, but
It's too late to challenge it.
all right. And now,
Wait, can we make a deal with you?
Yeah.
That ball went over the tree. We'll give you 3 extra runs if you let us. You'll get 1 out.
No.
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 We already went to the.
Yeah, we already
went to the World Series. It went over the tree though. Okay, sure. It's a home run.
No.
You guys,
No, we win.
we still would have won.
you guys.
Still would have won.
Yeah, but still.
We would have won by 1 run still.
No, it would have been tied.
No.
If you hit a home run, you guys would. It would still be.
There was a runner on.
No, don't,
Yeah, but if it was 1-4, if you hit a home run there, now it's 3-4.
don't take it.
Yeah, and then
We win 4-2.
and then you hit a ground ball to me. So it doesn't matter.
It didn't
You
matter.
can call it a home run.
Yeah, but you guys didn't call it a home run, which made it 3-4. But something else could have happened.
No.
Yeah, but still, it wouldn't have mattered. And now for the winning team, Truman and Mason for the Silver Sluggers. Guys,
I'm just gonna go like back.
14. You guys went 14-4 in the 14-4 in the regular season. 2-0 in the playoffs. So 16-4 on the whole season. How do you guys feel?
We're ready for
amazing.
you or the Cats in the World Series.
So you're talking about us?
I said you and the Cats.
You're talking about playoffs?
Talking about practice.
Talking about playoffs?
I'm gonna tell you one thing. Every time I've worn this jersey, we swept every team.
Wow.
But when I haven't worn this jersey, we haven't swept.
Fuck out. Elgins
No, Elgin are agents.
Who's you guys' number 1 fan? Elgin.
Yeah, he's our number 1 fan.
Caden Elgin.
Perry does.
We haven't lost. So tomorrow we have Giga Jaws versus the Cats.
No, not tomorrow because I can't be home tomorrow. So
So
it's not.
serious. 2
It's
days
the
from
8th.
now? 2 days from now.
Yeah. So So today's the 5th.
Hey, have you figured
Tomorrow's
out
the 6th. Yeah, I know who's in the All-Star game.
Is it
Can you
me?
tell us?
All right. Goodbye, everybody.
Is it me?